StockX. Let's talk about StockX. Watch this entire video before you buy or sell on StockX here in 2020. I wanted to do this video like a month and a half ago, but I bought some shoes and they've taken quite some time to come in. So I want to break down what's going on with StockX. I did email StockX, ask them, what's going on, so I do have that response from them as well. We do have an unboxing from StockX. I did pick up some shoes, so we'll get into that unboxing later on in the video. But before we do anything, if you guys are new here, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help out the channel. It helps out this video, and it pushes this video out to more sneakerheads like yourselves. So please, guys, just take a second, hit that like button down below, and let's talk about StockX. We're going to break down, before you buy from StockX and before you sell from StockX. So we all know what's going on in the world. We don't have to get into that. But StockX has been quite affected from what's been going on in the world. Packages are just taking so long to get to the customer, and StockX is really backed up. So I want to start off actually with, what happened to me personally, and then we'll get into StockX's email, because I did email them, and then last we'll get into the unboxing. So I want to start off with my transactions from StockX within the past month. So I bought 2 pairs of sneakers, sold 2 pairs of sneakers in the last month, in this month of August, the beginning of the month. It's now the end of the month, about to be September. So let's start off with buying. I bought 2 pairs of sneakers. One of them you will see later on. The other sneaker I'm actually still waiting for. Last month I sold t-shirts to you guys, and shout out to you if you did cop a tee. Thank you, I really do appreciate you. But I bought some Royal Toe ones for the winter, bought them directly from StockX, and I'm waiting still for them to come in so that I can do a video, show you guys, I got the shoe and everything. We'll probably do another video talking about StockX. And then I'm going to send them off to the giveaway winner. So I'm just waiting for them to come in. I purchased the Royal Toe Jordan 1. So let me take a look at my buying history. Current right here. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you right now. It still says they're en route to me. So it's been like that for a few days now. It didn't update for quite a bit. And I purchased this Royal Toe size 11.5 on August the 8th. It is now August 29th. And I still have not received the shoes. It's been all month. In about a week and a half will be an entire month since I placed the order, I should say. I still have not received the shoes. This other sneaker that I'll show you guys in just a little bit, let me take a look at when I bought these. I actually bought these after the 8th, and this shoe came in quicker. So this I purchased on August the 11th, which happens to be my 10-year anniversary with my fiance. So this sneaker that you'll see later on in this video is actually for her. She wanted them. I bought them for her. Just, another anniversary gift with some Louis Vuitton stuff and other things. So, August the 11th. This package showed up, I believe, 2 days ago. So, that took about 2.5, almost 3 weeks itself. When you take a look at StockX, they do actually have, at the top there, it does say, due to COVID, what does it say? Due to COVID-19, please allow 2 to 3 weeks for processing and delivery. Well, they're definitely at least that. At least. So, we'll get into the unboxing, and then we'll talk about selling on StockX as well. And I want to break down, what's taking so long. So, I did email them, but let's get to this quick unboxing. It's not a hype shoe, nothing too crazy, so just want to open these up real quick. Make sure we are good to go from StockX, and then we'll talk about the email that I got from them, asking them, what's going on. And we'll talk about selling on StockX as well, because I've also sold 2 pairs of sneakers recently on StockX as well. And we'll talk about payouts and everything like that. So, right here, take this out. Let's see what we got. We do have an Adidas box, and I've never seen this type of Adidas box before. I guess this box opens differently. Oh yeah, well, I like that box. That's actually a cool opening. So, these are, when did I purchase these? Yes, I did buy these on August the 11th. I'll just cover up my info and everything, but right there you can see did purchase these on August the 11th. Just wait for it to focus. There you go. So August the 11th. Got the Supreme poster thing right here. Card from StockX. And we'll take a look. Ooh, we bought some Ultra Boost for my fiance, as I almost dropped the shoe there. We got the black and white colorway Ultra Boost women's shoe. She really wanted them, so I decided to pull the trigger. StockX had them for pretty much the cheapest price, and the only site I could really find with her size. So she wanted these, got them from StockX. We paid, how much did I pay for these? $108, $107.90. Shipped, fees, everything. It was $89, processing fee, shipping. I don't pay tax here in New Jersey on sneakers or clothing. So, got these. Awesome. Now, let's talk about that email, and then we'll talk about selling on StockX. You know what? Let's go to sell. We'll do the selling process, and then we'll talk about that email. Trust me, you guys want to stay tuned for that email. So, as far as selling goes, I decided to sell 2 pairs of Bel Air 5s on StockX when the price was before it dipped, basically. You know, before it dipped, I was like, let me get rid of them now, dump them to StockX real quick, and that's what I went ahead and did. So, I sold 2 pairs of Bel Air 5s. One pair was on August 16th. The other pair was on August 19th. I shipped them the very next day after they both sold. So I just want to take a look at my email and see when I got paid now to tell you guys how long it actually took to receive payout. So I got paid on August 26th for one and August 27th for the other. So that took about a week and a half to get paid. More than usual. I live in Jersey. I ship them to New Jersey. Any other time besides what's going on in the world right now, I've always gotten paid the very, very next day. Right after shipping them, next day, money's there in my PayPal account. It took a week and a half to get paid. So, I want to bring up this email. I did go ahead and email them, basically asking, you know, what's going on? What's taking so long? Can you give me more information of what's just taking so long? So I received this email, basically says, "Hi, Danny. We apologize for the delayed response regarding your order. We're currently handling a very high volume of cases at this time with what is going on around the world. Looking into this order, I see that due to extremely high volumes caused by the current global pandemic, it has been delayed. However, I can confirm the item has been received and is awaiting authentication. I do realize it's worrying when you don't receive updates on an order for which a good amount of money has been spent. To give some insight on the current situation, we have been experiencing a lot of delays at our facilities these past couple months due to, and backlogs at our facilities. In order to keep our staff safe and to comply with the CDC, we have had to minimize the amount of staff working at our facilities, and some facilities have had to run at less than half capacity. Because of these changes, we've been backed up with orders." So you heard it right there from StockX directly. Because of what's going on, because of everything going on, they've been less than half capacity in most of their locations. Some locations, some of them, about half capacity of staff of what they were allowed to obviously have, or were doing, I guess, before what's going on in the world. So there you guys have it, directly from StockX. So there you guys have it. There's the reason of everything going on. I just wanted to make this video to help you guys out. Just if you want to continue to buy and sell on StockX, go ahead. I don't think there's a reason not to, but expect delays automatically. If you're looking for quick cash, it's not going to be through StockX right now. Just putting that out there. Also, if you're looking for a quick shoe to come in, it's not going to happen right now either, because of what's going on. So you're going to be waiting, I would say, at least 2 weeks, maybe 3, maybe even a month. It really depends on the circumstances with StockX. I don't work for StockX, obviously, so this is just the email I received. I did receive the shoes, but I'm still waiting for a pair of Royal Toe Jordan 1s. Please leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know what you're waiting for from StockX. I'm sure some of you are probably having trouble. It's frustrating. It definitely is. So, once again, expect delays and hope for the best. You will get your package. You will receive your money. It's just a matter of when. And, you will get paid, guys. You will get paid. You will get your sneakers. So, with that being said, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, guys, hit that thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. It really shares this video to more sneakerheads like yourselves. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.